Unang panahon kining sige tawag ana dong.
Paligid, paligid.
We call it Filipinos as paligid, and then this is the one Dios. Sana steak. Steak, okay. Steak. Then paligid, then ana onin mo. Ana ba ana. Sige ah. Sige, lumba mo kau, lumba. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Oh, they are so enjoying what they're doing right now. This is the Filipinos tradition play the tradition games. All right. Wow. It's really good. Filipino tradition games. We call it paligid. Paligid. All right. This is what here at Tinubo. Look at that. This is always enjoying. Tired? Kapoy na? Unsa man nagikaw nimo?
Talisay.
Unsa na? Talisay nga kuan?
Bakaon.
Talisay nga kahoy?
Bunga.
Kani lagi bunga na. Bunga ni. Okay. Sige, in English ug bunga?
Talisay.
Talisay. So asam to tong flashlight? Atong ari tong talisay ha. Asa ni talisay mo ni talisay. So,
Hadang nagpundok kana.
this one.
Kana.
This is the fruits, and then eat the what is inside it? Talisay. This one, just like a peanuts. Just like a peanuts. Peanuts?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, alright. So this one. Kamen pan this tree. Talisay. We call it talisay. Talisay tree. Okay. Look at that. So yummy.
Yummy.
Wow, yummy. Oh. This is yum and this is me. Yummy. Yum me. Chicken.